Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have a new book release from the Mythographic series. If you're not familiar with Mythographic, they have several artists who release, books throughout the year. Most of the artists I enjoy, however, my favorite are Fabiana Attanasio and then Joseph Kattenbeng. He's become one of my favorites. So he had one that released, and I think I got this yesterday, the day before. I don't know, popped in my mail, but I had pre-ordered this. So this one is called Wild Summer. So let's take a look. Now they are single-sided, perforated edges. The paper's nice and thick, so you can do water, marker, what have you. So let's see. Oh, that's pretty cool, actually. Oh, and then as always, if you don't want commentary, just mute me and enjoy the flip through. Oh, that's pretty. I said, like every book that comes from him just gets better and better. So just something to keep in mind. Also, when they started doing away with the hidden objects, I became a major fan of the books, as I'm sure many of us could agree with on that front. That's kind of cool. He does kind of have a Kirby-esque style, don't you think? Or is that just me? Oh, this would be fun to color in all that honey that she's just rowing her little boat in. Oh, so pretty. I hate that I have nothing but flip-throughs these days, but it's simply because, well, there's a lot of books that keep releasing, and in fact, there's a few that I didn't even do a flip-through on. Ooh, I like that. That's really cool. Make the sheep part of the clouds. I mean, the stuff he comes up with is pretty impressive. And his style is very signature, like you can recognize it when you look through his books. That's cool. Paper's thick, so I'm just making sure I didn't miss anything. That one's a little weird. I do like how there's water slides, but it kind of creeps me out that the big old, like, what, hippo? Is that a hippo? Could just swallow you. Ooh, that one's neat. I want to live in these worlds. I want to be on a watermelon boat in water with a panda just hanging out. I want that to be my life. My world's biggest problem is how to get out of the watermelon boat. I want that to be my life's problem. Anyone else want to join me in a fantasy land? That's cool too. Ooh, these are pretty detailed. Some of them you'll have to be in that mood, kind of like a Kirby book, right? Am I in the mood to tackle this page? That's the question you have to ask yourself. I'm liking it though. Oh, I love that little ballerina. That's pretty too. There's some really good ones in here. Like how she's blowing the bubbles. But it's almost like you could make this an underwater scene. I know there's flowers and stuff, but it's a fantasy book, for Pete's sake. Well, that'd be kind of fun. That's cute. Ooh, look at that one with the way their tail goes around. Well, I have ideas already, but I'll get ideas, but execution is where sometimes I get stuck. Oh, this one's so cute. I really like this one. Okay, that's cute. Cute, cute. I guess cute is the word of the day. Could say stunning and gorgeous, but I guess we're going with cute. It's an interesting one. And it is cute. Ooh, I like that one. Again, I want to live in a world where I'm surfing and a lion is right there and not eating me. Oh, look at the narwhal one. That is so amazing. I like that one a lot. I mean, come on, who thinks of this up, right? She's like in a cocktail glass with ice cubes, a lemon or lime wedge. We got fruits hanging out and just bears, I'm assuming polar bears, chilling on the ice cube while she's basking in the sun. Like, who thinks of these things? I want to think that way in my life. That's cool too. Like I said, he's become one of my favorites. Just the art style. Flying pig with balloons. Ooh, this could be really fun. Some pinks and oranges. Make it like a sunset sky. And look, she's painting. Yeah. There's a lot to go off of there. And that is it. So, yep, this is the latest Mythographic from Joseph Kattenbang. It's called Wild Summer. Now, there will be more released this year, not necessarily just from him. Like I said, they have several artists. I just happen, 2 of them are ones that I auto buy now. Others I kind of am like, maybe. But either way, always lovely to look at. Let me know if you pre-ordered this and what you thought. If you were excited or if you're just kind of like, well, it's there. I'm always curious. And until next time, take care. Bye now.